Hi everyone, this is Soom here from Success Mindset. Today, let's look at the Bollinger Band and see how we can use that to understand the stock patterns and prepare ourselves for various strategies. I want to clarify, I'm not a certified professional in the finance. I'm sharing what I have learned and what has worked for me for educational purpose. So this is the Bollinger Band that I have in the tradingview.com. It has three lines. The one in the middle is the 20-day moving average, which you can change, customize, and it has a two standard deviation on the above and below. So I have taken Walmart as an example. In general, as I said, like with high probability, not guaranteed all the time. The the stock prices move between the band, and whenever it touches one part of the band, it's likely going to reverse, provided all other conditions are also true. For example, in this case, it crossed the Bollinger Band and it has already overbought, and it has slightly started retreating slowly, and then it has reached the oversold, um and it reached the bottom, and then like it started reversing again. And it is not always true. You can see here it crossed the uh, upper Bollinger Band, and it still continued to climb up, and that's when the band widened, because it is still in the middle of the bull run. It just began, and if you look at the other indicators like MACD and stochastic RSI to build the broader picture, you can understand why it didn't reverse here, because there is just the beginning of the bull run based on MACD, and it's still in the middle of the stochastic RSI, reaching its the overbought state, which means you have quite a good amount of run. So these are all the symptoms you want to watch for, and then do not exit early. And in general, whatever I recommend is not to get in and out of the market very frequently, which is against my initial recommendations. But if you need uh, to plan a short position, I'm recommending what are the different technicals that you can leverage. And you can also look at it here. Recently, even though it was overbought and there was a sudden reversal in the outlook of Walmart, we can see it went way below the Bollinger Band, Bollinger Band. And even by then, we didn't see it has already reached the oversold. So, as I said in the previous video, it is continuing to go down because of the ripple effect it has. And uh, yeah, we did not see immediate reversal, even though it went way below the bottom Bollinger Band. And these are different strategies that you can leverage to uh, plan and spread your entries and exits, so you can build your broader portfolio over time methodically, instead of like making it random. Thank you. If you um, subscribe to the video, and then recommend if you have any other topics that you want me to cover. I'm happy to cover. Thank you.